In recent times, life has more often than not backed the budding generation into a corner. This has drawn them into further diversified ways to generate income. Case in point, online streams. Cryptocurrency, amongst a number of many others, has of late been picking the pace. Cryptocurrency is and can be defined as a digital currency where transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than a centralized authority. In layman's language, you do not need the bureaucracies you go through in banks to begin transacting. The trade can be dated back to 2009 when it first started being discussed in mainstream media. Allegedly, those who invested as little as 100,000 Kenya shillings at that time would be rich to the tune of 3,670,000,000 shillings by now. However, like any other trading market, it has its perks. Case in point, fluctuations in share prices. Like any other business, there are risks and the need for startup capital. 9 years on from its inception, one Kavina Kipchirchir decided to take a chance on the crypto trading platform.
My name is Kavina Kipchirchir. I am a multimedia university student studying mathematics and computer science for the year. I am a trader dealing in cryptocurrency. I mostly trade using Bitcoin in apps like Paxful and Binance. Cryptocurrency works in such a way that you speculate the prices of that currency, and then you maximize your profits or investments into that currency in order to reward, so that the currency can reward you profits. The most appropriate investment is 15,000 Kenya shillings, in which you download the application, you put your money into an application where it supports the Bitcoin world or the cryptocurrency world like Binance or Paxful. Then you create your account, then you invest your money into that account, then you look for a trader, an online trader, then you trade with him the money. He sends you the money, you send him the Bitcoins, and you earn your profits from that.
He specifically put an investment on Bitcoin, a form of cryptocurrency.
My friends informed me about Bitcoin in the year 2019. At that time, the price of Bitcoin was a bit cheaper, and I invested my money in there. The actual amount was 15,000, and when I started making profits, because I used to trade with another trader outside the country, and I could make a profit of 1,000 Kenya shillings per day, and I think from that time it became popular within the youths, because that was the only way to make money easily. From then on, I've been using it ever since.
As one with a fair bit of experience in this type of trade, Kipchirchir is of the belief that the country will soon take up Bitcoin and other forms of cryptocurrency as a major form of transaction.
From my perspective is that in the future, people will be using Bitcoin mostly because it is reliable, and there are security measures being placed around so that it can prevent online scammers from accessing our investments.
The only holdback as of now is the alarming number of scammers posing as crypto traders, something he is also sure will be contained all in due time.
In the case of Kenya, they have put in place a security deposit before trading online. So the security deposit for Kenya is 25,000. So before you become a trader, you have to deposit a security fee of 25,000 so that you can trade. When you are scammed, the scammer can be snatch the security fee, and it will be given to you. So with that, I think Bitcoin is the trend right now from the youth, and it will become popular even in other countries.
Very high highs and very low lows are a trademark in this exchange platform. The shifting nature of this currency can also be the reason as to why most governments do not recognize it.
Kenya has not legalized the use of Bitcoin because even from the banks, we can see that the banks do not allow deposit of Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin is it is volatile. And when you put that money or that coin into your bank, it may go up or it may come down, and by doing that, it affects the investment of the bank, and the bank may lose the value of its cash, or even the value of Kenyan shilling may drop. Using Bitcoin, it depends, because we mostly look at the prices before trading. So when Bitcoin shoots down because of other reasons, maybe war from different countries outside there, the Bitcoin prices drops down to even from maybe 7 million Kenya shillings to around 1.9 million Kenya shillings. And if you had invested your 15,000 in that trading account, then I think by the end of when the Bitcoin drops down from 7 million to 1.9 million, your investment would be around 1,000 Kenya shillings, or may even be blown up. That is the risky part.
As the world adopts this form of transaction and moves away from the conventional hard currency, more people continue to view it not just as a savings on their expenditure, but an investment that will hopefully pay off.
It's a risky business, but I think if you acquire knowledge about it and get to know how to do in order not to be scammed, it will be safer.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other forms of crypto are largely receiving a positive reception in the trading markets, such that even the world's most respected and celebrated business icons are pumping drones of cash into the trade. Although those plying this trade insist it is volatile, Winston Churchill will be a source of inspiration for this crop of innovators. As he reiterated, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.